Hi. Thank you for that introduction. Thank you to Amy Garowitz and the Alumni Day Committee for this invitation to give the very shortest lecture I've ever given in my entire life. And I'm actually not going to talk about what I do today. I'm going to change the I to a we, and talk about something known as scenius. The composer and producer Brian Eno is the first known coiner of the term scenius, and he describes it as a spontaneous manifestation of communal genius, creative brilliance as the output of a collective rather than an individual's ability. Scenius pops up when the environment allows it to do so. At Building 20 at MIT, in Soho in the 1970s, or even in Brooklyn in the past decade, and here at the New School, within and across our own disciplines, scenius defines and gives parameter to our work. I can't give a definition of what product design is, even though I'm the director of the program. No one person can, but as a scene, we can and we should. So I tapped into our scene and I asked for a single word to describe our work, and from this, a definition emerged. Product design is a future exchange, tenacious potential of family, empathy, and interaction, manipulative, as in manipulative, adaptive learning, Kaizen, or change for the better, a clock, cinematic, Meraki, or something done with love, everlasting connection, metamorphosis, iteration, consideration, invention, and solution, living imagination, perpetual indispensability, redundant, imperative, subjective, holistic. Product design is no more and no less than a work of scenius. Thank you.